is a high-spec truck in the yard, just waiting to be actually just been calibrated this afternoon, so you get the enormity of it actually being classed as a mobile plant. Just walk round. So it looks like at the back. And it's just the guys over here for calibration, and we're just having some training. You'll see this. If I can get that tilts down to give you longer reach from the back of the truck, and it turns sideways as well. And then we have, as you'll see, I've just walked past, the barrows are on there for the free barrow service that we provide for volumes of less than 3 meters. We'll provide some manpower to get the concrete dispensed exactly where you need it on the building site.
They put one, there should be one in the top and in the bottom.
So here we've got some testing it, because it's coming up to winter now. We've got to learn how to leave the truck overnight in freezing conditions, where to bleed it. So you see, it's an absolutely massive beast. But, you know, we set the controls to dispense and mix, should I say, and dispense quantities. It's exactly what people need, from, you know, half a metre to top up a metre. We just mix it on site in exactly the right quantities.
Yeah, well,
and we can set the mix so we can make it more watery in summer.
We'll get round.
And we can do a different mix for foundations, a different mix for screed. So that's the truck. So as the saying goes, don't stop till you get enough.